Hi everyone, my name is Clyde and this is my assembly and disassembly activity in ACSS. As you can see, I put my anti-static wristband to avoid the risk of electrostatic discharge or ESD. And when I first dismantled it, I go for the HDD and I try to disconnect it from the power supply and the motherboard. To completely remove the HDD, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver to remove it from its case. Yes. Now I'm trying to remove the power supply connectors to the motherboard, and I'm carefully doing it because my classmates that provide the working PC said that these PC are old and fragile, and we definitely want to avoid the risk of damaging it. That's why we remove the pieces that we can easily or easily remove. And the one that's stuck up and so hard to remove that have the risk of damaging it, we didn't continue to remove it. But fortunately we removed most of them like that. Now after this, I think I'm going for the RAM. Yes. I take the memory sticks. That this memory sticks per stick is 2 gig, which is accumulated to 4 gig or 4 gigabytes of RAM. And this is the processor and the processor fan. And this is the north bridge and its heatsink, and the south bridge with its small heatsink. And this is the CMOS battery, and this one is 2 PCI and 1 AGP slots, and the last one is the RAM slots. And that one is connectors for integrated peripherals. And well, I'm putting back the HDD or hard disk drive. While I'm putting it, the specs of the processor that we're using is an Intel Core 2 Duo processor for E4600. The total cores of this processor is 2 cores, 2 dual core, a duo processor. And the processor base frequency is 2.40 gigahertz, and the cache is 2 MB, and its bus speed is 800. And if you're asking about the HDD, the size of HDD is at least 300 gigabytes. It can contain a data at least 3 gigabytes of space. Mm. And oh, the type of the motherboard is a this motherboard is a micro BTX. And After that, I think I'm putting these two ramps box and hopefully it works. As you can see, it turned on and the fan is working, which is a good sign. And look, it's booting up. And that's all. Thank you for watching.